watermelon flavor, you do not eat watermelon flavored cough drops. And second of all, have you not seen the commercial?
What commercial?
That one.
Cough drops. Coming in flavors, watermelon, root beer, and cookie dough. My favorite. Relieve sore throat and cough.
Some people who use cough drops may experience odd side effects, including unusual behaviors such as acting like an animal, failed attempts at suicide, being unusually frightened by everyday things, or uncontrollable laughter. Some people who use cough drops may also experience other types of side effects, including but not limited to difficulties with wardrobe, death, inability to control facial expressions, awkward silences with friends, and extreme anger at inanimate objects. Some people may find they have difficulty keeping the time of day straight.
Where's the bus?
Preliminary studies show that some cough drop users may experience confusion of inanimate objects, a loss of sense of direction, and occasionally a difficulty to find the right emotion for a given situation. A small percentage of cough drop users experience symptoms of imaginary aging or lose the ability to complete simple tasks. These were usually mild and temporary. Use cough drops responsibly, as prolonged usage may result in an inability to whistle.
Let's not eat cough drops, and I'll just pray for you.
Okay.